Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update firmware on a Wallbox charger using the Wallbox app step by step clearly. Open the Wallbox app on your mobile device. Ensure that your Wallbox charger is plugged in and powered on. Connect your mobile device to the same Wi-Fi network as your Wallbox charger. In the Wallbox app, look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation panel. Select the chargers option from the list. Find your Wallbox charger from the displayed list and tap on it. Once on the chargers page, look for the settings option. Tap on settings to access the configuration menu. Scroll down until you see the firmware updates section. If an update is available, you will see a notification indicating this. Tap on the Update Firmware button to begin the process. Read through any prompts or information that appears about the update. Confirm that you want to proceed with the firmware update. The app will begin downloading the firmware update. Wait patiently as the download progresses. Once the download is complete, the app will initiate the installation. During installation, do not disconnect the charger or your mobile device from Wi-Fi. You will see a progress bar displaying the installation progress. Once the update is successfully installed, a confirmation message will appear. Check that the Wallbox charger is functioning correctly after the update. You may want to review the update notes to understand new features or improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel